If you are still waiting for that rumored $75 billion SpaceX IPO, I have some bad news. You are about 4 years and $100 billion behind. That $75 billion figure, that is ancient history. It is basically the financial equivalent of a dial-up modem in a fiber optic world. SpaceX has been launching projects and capital rounds at a pace that makes standard market analysis look like a toddler's coloring book. Spoiler alert, there is no IPO coming. Let's look at why the rumor mill is spinning faster than a Falcon 9. Why would Elon Musk want to deal with the joy of quarterly earnings calls? Public companies have to answer to investors who panic every time the share price dips by a nickel. By staying private, SpaceX avoids the short-termism trap, allowing them to burn cash on things like Mars rockets without a Wall Street analyst having a meltdown on live TV. Investors in the public markets crave immediate returns, but engineering a multiplanetary future requires a horizon that doesn't care about next Tuesday's stock price. SpaceX isn't just selling internet, they are the backbone of US government and military launches. Essentially, they are the Pentagon's favorite space taxi. But here's the catch: foreign ownership, control, or influence regulations. Letting random retail investors worldwide grab a chunk of a national security asset is a bureaucratic nightmare. While engineers worry about orbital mechanics, the legal team is stuck in a regulatory loop that makes a trip to the DMV feel like a spa day. IPOs are for selling cupcakes. National security needs a tighter leash. So how do people invest if there is no IPO? Enter secondary markets. It is the VIP section of the stock market, and surprise, you are likely not on the guest list. Most think stocks only come from an IPO. That is the primary market. But secondary platforms like Forge or Hive allow employees to dump shares to institutions, bypassing the ticker tape entirely. You need a profile, and if you are an individual trader, you might find the velvet rope is quite thick. It is where the real money moves, while the public waits for a press release that isn't coming. This isn't just theory. Private markets handle billions in equity, shifting ownership stakes in massive companies long before they ever ring a bell on Wall Street. So, is the long-awaited SpaceX IPO finally on the horizon? Don't hold your breath unless you actually enjoy passing out from oxygen deprivation. With 80 to 90% of global launch dominance and massive recurring revenue from Starlink, they don't exactly need your retail capital. They are building a private, orbit-dominating fortress. Keep dreaming of that IPO, but for now, SpaceX is perfectly content being a private entity. Thanks for watching. Seriously, stop refreshing your brokerage app. Nothing is happening today.